Something, I don't know.
That's what everyone says.
I know. Telling you, man, it's the Mandela effect.
Exactly. That shit's real.
You know it. I'll try to do a better job of keeping our front wall up this time. Maybe we'll be able to hold on to it a little bit longer. I guess that should be easy since they don't have an ass to...
Yeah.
Yeah, much easier.
If only you could build foam faster, it might be viable.
What is it? Sandbag speed?
Yeah.
Yeah, if it was bricks, then yeah, but I think they should make it like brick speed. No one uses foam.
But then bricks would be pointless.
They used foam last match.
I
Yeah,
think somebody on their team, I think the ninja has
Yeah,
foam.
they did use foam.
I mean, this match, I think the ninja has foam.
I'm a stubborn old fart that doesn't adapt to change well. I don't use new blocks and such.
Same.
I stick to my old ways.
Are you on roof right now, Yeti?
I'm on side.
Okay, I'll go.
Face since you're
Slash
done.
roof.
Try to like get all the health and ammo in spots like on our roof.
Yeah.
It's tasty.
You think that we'd have to fight them? You know, just random places, make sure they're hidden and whatnot. You know the deal. Yada yada. I'll get everything like around cube.
Okay.
So divvy it up.
Thank you.
What's the path for this
I gotta get
spectate?
a wall on the right side.
Oh, it's in case Discord.
Oh,
What's that?
okay, found it.
Pug, I don't think there's a reason we don't need to do cut the front wall because they don't have anything to spam
Yeah,
from really.
yeah, yeah.
Super Sarge.
They never did find our spawn that first match, did they?
No.
I'll use that one again.
Nice wall phase. You put my wall on the other side to shame.
It's okay. We got other tasks, like me.
You guys should be able to win.
Yeah, we can.
And so it thought the first time.
One left.
He left, but he
Yeah,
didn't.
he's
quit.
restarting.
Also takes the I have to ask you to mute whenever Mac checks restarts.
Oh, okay.
No, he can't. He doesn't speak anyways, so you're safe.
He's speaking right now.
No, he's not.
Yeah, you have him muted probably.
I do?
He must
He's
not.
been talking.
Thank you, Tasty. He just
Oh.
muted himself. He messaged us saying he muted
Good
himself.
grief. Man, no, I just thought he didn't speak.
It's funny because
Alright, well.
False is actually the exact same.
Yeah, I think
Sorry,
there was a match where I think everyone muted Tasty,
Makes sense.
Alright,
and then I guess everyone forgot to unmute him.
let's push left side.
Alright. Oh. Ninja is coming in on you, Pihos. Ninja's low.
Oh no, I fell.
Aim on low.
I got sweet science on me. I'm gonna die.
Sarge is
Aim on
going,
one shot. Aim on one shot. Aim.
Pug, Sarge is going across islands.
Okay. I'm just healing up. Yeah, I see him. I see him.
Gone.
Oh, okay, you ran from. Alright, I'll
Yeah.
stick you.
Alright, Face, push up with us when you can,
Yeah.
because we're gonna need that gas.
He's lagging. He's lagging real hard.
Oh, that's just Pug.
I scrape you off my gloves.
Sarge is dead.
Duck dead.
Nice. There's two chasing you there,
I know. We need HP in mid.
friend.
Hey, Tony dead.
Ninja dead, Ninja dead.
Tony and Ninja dead.
Nice.
Both are defenders dead.
Yeah, go. Oh, you can help attack.
I'm being pursued. Ouch.
Actually, Sarge is here, but I should be fine.
Sarge's front wall.
We must raid the stockroom.
Good pull.
He's bleeding.
He's dead.
Let's go.
Kill him.
Alright, I'm gonna bomb
Getting
front
HP
wall.
on right bridge.
Me too.
Hey, protect.
I killed the turret.
Gonna pop some mine.
Big bomb front
They've
wall.
covered
Protect it. Guys, front wall.
They've
Everyone come
covered
front wall.
their cube in foam.
Got a turret.
Guys, protect the big bomb on the front wall.
This point is gonna go off.
Oh, I hit a bear
Ninja
trap.
down low.
Alright, bomb went off. I got bomb off.
Nice.
Ninja's
Nice.
dead.
Doc is on a roof or something. Spamming, I don't know. My turret got spammed from somewhere. Oh, Doc is by our second.
Or second. Okay.
Yeah, I need you to deal with that pug.
Yeah. I'm coming back.
Oh, he pushed forward actually.
Don't push that.
Two people are coming left bridge.
Shit, nah, she's got HP. I can't.
Damn
Fine.
it.
I need your.
Fall down.
I'm here. I'm
Coming
here.
back.
Sarge is really low.
They got our def spawn?
God.
Fuck, they got our
Lies in
def
the back.
spawn.
I don't have any bricks for a spawn.
I got Doc Buck here at second.
My manservant will handle that, okay?
Good
Nice,
job.
Guys.
Get that health. I think Ninja's
Yeah,
on our
I'm getting it.
front
I'm getting it.
wall. Yeah, Ninja is on our front wall somewhere.
Back off. Feather the
Hey, keep pushing. Like their front wall is bombed.
I got Ninja and
Yeah,
SF.
don't lose pressure.
They got
We're
three
not-
out front, 3 out front.
Oh my goodness. I literally got melted.
Yeah, same.
Keep running, Mr. J Big.
I'm fine.
Yeah, he tried to work on that front wall.
Yeah, keep a pressure off their front wall.
Yeah, let's go.
Focus Doc. Oh, Tony pushed forward.
I hit Doc.
Nice.
Don't
Dead,
die,
Doc dead.
Potato. Don't die.
Coming back.
I'm dead.
Me in front spawn.
Seahawks, they're chasing you.
Yeah, we're probably gonna need another def spawn when you get a chance.
Alright, I don't have any
College up in
blocks
60
for
seconds,
one.
Ninja or Potato.
Get the supply then.
FaZe, I need you to push up farther with me,
They have HP and ammo in mid.
because I can't get past anything.
Runners is half.
I've been training like a Mutalo.
Sorry.
That's not the right thing. Good kill.
Thank you.
They have
Tony,
HP and ammo.
Tony's overextended on right bridge. He's gonna get me, but you got him.
Hello?
Rip. Our defense is dead. Pull back.
One in the chamber, Gunther.
They're going for cube.
It's okay. FaZe is back.
Yeah. Scats. Yeah, we definitely need a defense.
Oh
spawn.
my goodness, game.
Yeah, I'll get a death spawn.
I don't have any blocks for def spawn.
Is that Doc on our roof or something? I'll go for supplies if I can.
I hate this ping.
No, I can't.
No, I'm going for supplies. I got him.
Good job.
That line's up top.
I can make a def spawn.
I had 3 on
I'm
me.
making def spawn.
Up top Eliza.
Alright, we need attack pressure. We need attack pressure.
Put up Eliza just above our base.
Alright, kill them, they're on right side.
Wait, is she on the front wall face?
Yeah.
Ninja's on you.
Okay,
Ray.
Potato, let's cut that when things calm down a little bit.
Oh, good grief.
Cut it.
Yeah.
Oh, such luck.
You're gonna be doing a lot of cutting with those crates.
Big bomb went off on the front wall. Ours, that is.
Oh, you moved.
Sarge is really low. Ninja's dead. Ninja's dead if you guys want to attack. Good job, boss. Go attack. Go attack.
Doc's on top.
Doc's still being annoying.
Yeah, everyone attack except for me and Pug.
They have so much HP on front.
Doc's dead.
Let's go.
Good job. Pug, you can help out
Let's
then if
cut it.
Doc's dead.
Wait, what?
You can help attack if you need to. I can cut.
Let's just cut it fast.
One in the chamber, Gunther.
I fell off the edge again.
Got a ninja on me.
Face, it looks like you're not pushing far enough forward with everyone else.
I'm gonna
It's
die.
okay if you die on attack.
They're in mid. Right side. Oh my god.
We need to get the HP name what they have in the mid.
They have
in the
so
mud.
much. They have like 6 spots.
I put one down myself.
Sarge is low. Sarge is dead.
Yeah,
I
we
am
need attack.
super
We
low.
don't have enough time. Like, we're not pushing.
I'm trying to find some HP so I can regen.
Good pull, good pull. He didn't die. He's in mid. He's really low. He's dead. Tony's dead. SS is on me now. Doc's low.
They're all low.
Good job, P-Hoss.
After retreat. Back me up. Nice, good job.
Oh, Ninja dead.
Supplies, potato.
I'm dead. I just died. Ninja dead, but their Ninja's dead as well. So
Oh
it's
yeah, I'm
even.
gonna go for him.
As I should go for him. Never
I
mind.
got him. Oh, but I'm dumb. They have health where we have health.
Oh fuck.
I'm getting it.
Fell. They
Boss, not going by yourself.
Alright, they got
Boss
that
is
2
restarting.
turret set up
Their
still.
Sarge is dead.
Did we get their mid HP?
Look at this.
They
Yeah,
have
I
like
got
6
it, I got
spots. I got 2
Ninjas,
of them.
ninjas in middle, Pug.
I know, we're fighting.
Okay.
I'm
You got my health. He's got my health.
Ninja left.
I'm low.
I scrape you off my gloves.
Don't overextend, P-Hoss.
How did I...
Got lagged though.
Nah.
Sarge's on left
crud.
bridge. Sarge's on front
Sarge
wall.
is coming. C4.
Hey, they're mid.
I got the C4. I gotta run up and heal.
He's one shot. Icebreaker. Guess.
Nice. Big kill. Ninja dead.
Go. Establish. One shot. You got sweet science right next to you.
Tony's on left bridge.
I got their mid HP now.
You got a lot by you.
Tony's
Careful.
dead. Tony's dead. Attack. Attack.
Oh, I'm
Big
dead.
kill.
Just go for it.
Go, P-Haze.
Eliza's one shot.
I got a turret.
Fuck, I have health on the left
So
bridge.
if one more
See,
turret in
that
there,
guy's
they
fine.
do.
I got bear traps around your turret.
Here comes
Ninja's
boss.
coming left side.
Yep.
Ninja's getting your turret.
I hate ninjas.
Nice pull,
that's
P-Hoss.
not
Front wall, front wall, front wall.
He's low. He's going for the pull. If he didn't get it, he's dead.
You are nothing.
Yeah, he's been lagging a
I
lot.
know it's half.
Two of them here,
Sarge is
focus
dead,
Sarge.
Sarge is
Sarge's dead.
I'm gonna die.
I'm going for supplies.
You got in my way.
I got supplies.
Nice.
Ninja dead. But I'm dead from sweet science.
There's one behind you, FaZe. Two behind you.
Aim on half. Aim on low. There. Sarge up
Where
top.
are you? I'm waiting for you, P-Hoss, and then we'll go.
I'll push with you guys.
Sweet science coming in.
Nothing without society.
Tony's half.
He's lagging.
Where'd he go? Yeah, I know.
Oh, there's a ninja.
He just
Good
teleported.
job. Oh, we're stuck on each other.
Back off. Scared of me. One in the chamber.
threesome. Thanks.
Amon coming right side. PCB building. Right side, coming in,
P-Hoss, if you just go in the
Yeah, I got two turrets. I got two
left
turrets. I
side,
got both turrets.
Let's go.
No turrets. No turrets. No
Right
turrets.
side. Reno's coming in.
If you
Sarge.
just jump in the left side, you can just go straight into the cube. So there's an opening right in there.
No, go attack. Go attack. They have no turrets.
I'm going.
We just got left side.
You say there's no turrets?
Ninja's half.
One shot. Ninja.
Honestly, Pug, every time Doc is dead, you could be focusing more on attack than defense.
Alright.
Because all they do is they go for my turrets every single time. They've yet to do anything else. If I have a turret up, they go for it.
Guys, go in. If you jump in to attack the cube, you can go in the left side. There's an opening.
You need help?
Me? No.
See the... It's
Sarge,
down.
Sarge.
It's down a little bit more, but okay, that works.
That's what I'm talking about.
God
Dog
damn
turret side.
it.
Dog turret side.
He
Yeah,
grabbed
Doc
that
is the only one
help.
I'm worried about. Ah, you got it. Good job.
Yeah,
Nice.
but just put a sandbag on top of your turret.
Wait for me, Yeti.
Wow.
Yep, I'll wait for you.
Oh, no.
FaZe, will you push with me and Yeti again?
Huh?
I'm gonna attack. I'm gonna take out their turret.
I'm coming. Got the F. Got sweet signs left side. Right side, Reno's coming in from front.
There's
I know
one
where
here,
the one
FaZe.
is.
Alright, let's
I'm
go.
drawing
Let's
you.
go. Yeah, let's go in. I'll pop up.
Half.
Let's pop up.
Hey, I got their death spawn.
Come here.
Okay, I need to regen.
Pug, I might need your help.
Alright, I'm back. I got their death spawn, guys. Oh, I Shrine Bomb. Hey, Tony did.
Nice.
Shrine Bomb kill.
Good
Go in.
kill. Doc's here.
Yeah, I'm on dock.
Oh,
Damage.
On the roof.
Alright, Doc's dead, but she got me.
Fine.
Okay, that's fine.
It's good.
Joe,
trade.
guys.
I got their death spawn, by the way.
Oh, good
So
damage. I
No,
wasn't even seeing that.
nobody in middle.
Good
Nobody's in
damage,
middle.
guys.
fuck this BB.
Building is art, pal.
They got
just coming
spawn
up
left
lower
side,
left.
I think. I think they got
I
spawn.
think they do.
Oh, yeah, by the way, SS. Oh, SS is dead now, I guess.
SS right
suicide.
side. SS has been hit.
Sarge is really low.
Oh,
Alright,
missed
missed it.
again.
I'm fighting FaZe. Help.
Oh,
Nice.
I think I can
Let's go on
finish this
attack.
cube.
Dock left side.
yep.
I mean, BB survived drop.
We need to get our front wall back up. Pug.
Doc probably has health there. Yeah, he does. It's not covered fully. I might die. Need help. J-Big.
Easy.
Just duck in the bushes.
5 HP.
There's a ninja on you.
Yeah.
P-House.
And SS. I'm not gonna push too hard on the BB. I
I'm
don't
so
wanna
low.
die. Oh, I'm a solo. No, I'm dead. Ninja on cube.
I'm coming. I'll be there in 5 seconds.
SS
He might
is on
dead a bleed.
wall.
Hey, Ninja dead.
Yeah, good job.
Are they breaking?
Yeah, they are.
There's 3 there. They're gonna break.
Yeah, it's only 15 minutes.
Yeah, I never sweat that.
One shot, Reno.
Rhino still.
Left side, sweet
I'll
side.
get some-
Tony going in.
Hey, two dead. Doc's dead.
Tony.
I broke the spawn, guys.
Which spawn? There,
Let's go.
No, they're
All of them are
attacked.
dead.
All of them
Attack. All of them are dead.
Go.
I'll go
go.
second cube.
Right.
No. Don't go. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Alright, yeah, go some cube. I'm not gonna get it.
You stay alive, Pug.
Bear trap. Every time.
Stay alive. Okay, you did. Good job.
I'm gonna
Yeah,
die.
I shrank back.
I'm gonna work on getting bricks.
Oh my god, I
I
can't
just got
reload.
they're mid.
Yeah.
They're all on defense now.
Yeah, for sure. Now's a good time to try to get a spawn.
I'm clearing out their first two.
I'm gonna take this time to do a little bit of island prep.
Cool.
I was just
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
say do island
Make
prep.
make
Yeah.
sure you're watching Pug. For
Yeah,
cable
I
and
am.
stuff.
Okay, they're pushing. They're pushing.
Oh, they're pushing.
I'll fall
First
back.
side.
I'll fall back.
Stay alive.
I'm here.
I've been trained
Do you think he knew me? No.
No, no.
Yeah, you should.
I'm here.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I still have 2
One,
turrets up.
let me up.
Runner's dead. They have HP over there.
Oh, I got Doc on me now. And Ninja and SS.
You are nothing without the science.
Yeah, they're
One in
dead.
the chamber Gunther.
I got their HP ammo.
EMP ready. Gravity well.
Let me heal real quick. Doc's coming.
Stand. I feel wunderbar.
Ninja behind you guys.
Yeah, he's out. He's out. Alright, let's rebuild wall.
Ninja mid. Ninja mid.
Yeah, he's on HP.
Oh, this. Okay.
He's out. He's low. Sweet silence right side top.
Are we getting help?
I do need help.
You should have called for help. I could have come.
No, you wouldn't have made it in time.
Got
So I
help,
didn't say
man.
anything.
He's still up there. I see him. I see him.
He is a raider. He's going for
Doc's
my very
tunneling.
bad HP. You can, just so you know, you can't heal from that HP if you're on top of the bridge. It was too low,
Active hit.
which would be why I died.
Help.
I
Ow.
got you.
There's 2 of them there.
Yep.
Oof.
I'll be a cube. I'm a cube.
I got 3 on me.
Don't fly speed on my chin.
Hold Doc.
I'm trying. Nope.
You little fucker.
I got 3 on me still in mid.
Yeah, I got the radar and I got Sarge.
Okay, good job.
I'm gonna be back shortly.
Ninja's really low. Ninja shined.
Someone's up above. Sweet
Left
science coming
side.
in.
SSS.
Doc. SS. Yep.
SS is dead. Oh, I fell.
Right side. Lysa by herself. Half.
She's out. Let's get some more HP in mid.
Yeah.
Yeah, Faze, I'll leave it to you.
On you. Killer shield. Ninja behind you.
I'm
He's
going back to
half.
islands.
I'm trying to run away.
Me too. I'm half-ish.
I need to heal.
Sarge chasing you. Sarge chasing.
Keep running to HP, P-Hoss.
Trying. We got none in mid. It's really frustrating.
Yeah, they keep destroying back and forth.
Doc's in mid. Oh jeez, gas. Gas everywhere.
There's a ninja on me.
I'm out, I guess.
I'm gonna try to go
Ninja on you,
islands.
Jibik.
No, I'm gonna stay in.
Ah, he's trying away.
I
I'll
got
get
splice.
supply.
I got it.
Nice.
SS dead.
Hey,
Doc's
Doc's bleeding.
running.
Doc's bleeding.
Getting health up.
Oof. Bear trap. I'm pretty sure there wasn't that one there when I landed. I guess so.
Can you help Jimmy?
No, he ran away. Now that I actually have health that can heal me, I should be able to survive. Actually, I'm gonna need help.
Run, run.
I gotta come back
Run,
to first.
run away,
now.
Phase.
I might not need
I'm
help,
afraid.
but if you
I
come,
need
we'll be able
help.
to kill Tony. Tony's dead. He's
Oh,
on me though.
Renas is low, below.
alright, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Rhinos is about to
I'm dead.
attack.
SS is there too, don't even worry about it. Guys, a lot of them are focused on the island, so you might be able
Yeah,
to do
yeah,
something.
yeah.
Alright, trying.
I cut their bridge.
Science speak only in the first.
Just focus on attack. Because they're focusing on me.
Right side Renas. He's half.
SS and Ninja are both right island.
They are
Oh.
taking the bullets.
Don't block me.
Like you should be the one focusing on mid though. Make sure that.
Yeah, I was on it. I was distracting Doc. I had Doc on him.
Nice. SS is on right island. He's probably getting they broke the bridge. It took me forever just to make that 4x4 bridge.
Glory in death.
Sarge is dead.
Alright, I'm going to BB.
Oh. They only have one turret?
I'm putting
Yeah, one turret.
back ammo in health here.
The second spawn that I just put is up above on their roof.
Plug, help me do like a really large bridge.
I'm just trying to fight them on BB. They have mines, watch out.
Coming top.
Supply drop. Go for supplies, Plug.
Okay, yeah.
It's a bridge.
Ninja on you, Foss.
He doesn't see me.
Nice.
I got it.
He just hears me.
One top.
How many perks do you have, Tiebreaker?
1300.
Man,
Okay.
that ninja really
I
hurts.
can give you some. I have 6k.
We got 3 up top.
I'm not hurting.
Oh, crud.
I'm coming, BB.
3 up top, boys.
Just use it for stuff like that.
Nah.
Hey, 2 people push up.
Wanna put health over here too? Guess we need one over here.
Wow.
Alright, Doc died. Doc died.
Good job. Don't get
Kitty.
bullet face.
Yeah, they come up with BB.
Okay.
Oh, there were mines. I might die. Yeah, I'm dead.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay.
You
How
want
did they
me to
get
cook?
mines there without us seeing? They have a lot more BB control than we do.
I'm coming.
And I honestly think that 90% of it is because of the fact that we can't even make a bridge in time before they start attacking us.
Rhino's one shot. Alright, let's go. Let's establish.
Careful of
Let's go
gravity
over.
wells and
Watch out for
They have
SS.
lots of
Guys,
mines.
That's
We just got
what-
down here.
honestly, like attack team, die, and then spawn on attack. Actually, no, it's too close now.
No,
Never
no,
mind.
no.
Yeah, I thought we had a little more time, but we don't. This is gonna be really hard.
Yeah, I need we need you to spam.
Okay, let
Yeah.
me get
Help,
there.
help.
Fight Ninja, he's on my side.
He's bleeding. He's shined.
Just connect our bridge.
Tap is low.
I'm trying.
Okay, I got the entry.
Someone do sidewalls, that way we can't get pulled. Unless, Foss, you think you're gonna be able to pull a whole bunch of people.
I'm working on just trying to get there.
They have a turret.
Oh, they have a big bomb that went off.
Careful of pulls. SS is low. SS is so low.
Go in. Yeti, go in.
Yeah. They're working.
Ah, I died.
Oh, I died to mines. They're working.
No! How?
Wow. Rhinos is half. Rhinos as well.
Yeah, you need to push. You need to push with more PBs.
I
Yeah.
was right up there. I was breaking and trying to steal.
I know, but like sooner.
I push when it's a push.
Keep gassing, Foss.
Only
or
talk.
base. No, Tony 2.
Tony's
They're all gonna die, so just counterattack.
Okay.
Alright.
The only one left alive is Dot. Counterattack now, it's fine. Oh no, Ninja's on me actually. Forgot it that
But you
he,
need help. You need help.
I'm gonna die regardless.
And that's his defending.
Holy fuck.
can't believe
I just hit
you're
like
getting
10 mines. I'm gonna die. Yep.
Oh my god, what am I doing? You're gonna have to defend phase.
Yeah, come back.
We're gonna have to go top or side because they have all those crates. I'll blow a hole. I'll try to blow a hole in the
I mean,
right
I
side.
stand by the cube already, and I made some walls during build phase.
Wow. They still have people with BB?
Hey, Doc's there, right?
Gas phase, gas.
Phase.
I don't think I can get that.
We gotta do third.
I need backup.
I'm coming.
I'm low on brakes.
I can
I got
feed you bombs. I have plenty.
Wait for me, P-House, if you can. I'm
go
coming
break my
roof.
turrets.
Trying to get a spawn.
Okay.
I'm trying to. They're bridging over. No, never mind. Vernos is just going in.
Oh, wow. Doc caught me.
Wow, that range with ping.
Base,
So
put HP in these
strong.
boxes. I don't have bricks for it. Yeah, nice.
Oh my god.
Ninja's clearing our roof.
He watched me.
Yeah, okay. Someone fall back and make break the turrets at first cube.
Ninja's on there.
I'm gonna
roof, not
feed you
ours.
big bombs.
I'll
Yeah, for
do
now,
it.
let's just do cut. I'll get breakfast on that. Let's just try
We
to
need
get it as
to.
soon as possible.
Not let them clear our radar mid.
Yeah.
Stop
Pug,
them.
you focus on our roof because they're trying to clear our roof.
Oh, okay. Alright, I got one.
Good kill. Grinders is coming phase.
Yep.
Okay, I got 2 turrets at first cube. Any
What?
more?
Sarge is dead.
S is on our roof.
I hate
If one heavy can come back real quick and just do a little radar, 2 more, be awesome.
Alright, I'll come back.
Yeah, we need
You
some.
die, but like don't.
Do you need help, Pug?
I got it. He was gonna die to bleed anyways.
Ninja's gonna
Here,
be on you in
here,
just a second, Yeti.
Take the bombs. I have 6k
No, I'm
bricks.
just cutting. It's fine.
Ninja's on you. Yeah.
I can help cut then.
Yeah.
Sarge coming, Doc coming, together.
Okay.
Yeah, no, you just make sure
Yeah,
you get
I'm
the
gonna deal
damage
with
before
that.
they get here, Pug.
Yeah. I need to make a shrine first.
Up top. Oh, I might die here. I might die.
Come back. I'm with you.
That's fine. Let me know if I need to stop cutting and come help or something.
Oh, they're coming
They have
in
a spawn.
force.
I think. Oh wait, no, that was you.
3 or. There.
Don't get pulled by SS.
He's low.
He's gonna die to bleed. Alright, I got their HP ammo.
Nice.
Doc's here. Probably doing that tunnel shit.
Stop attacking Yeti. There's no point of attacking right now.
I saw that they were all away, so I did it.
Doc is
There's no point now because nobody's there.
Pug, I need you to go for Doc. Or actually, Foss, you can do it. I just need somebody who can get up there quick.
Okay.
She's focusing on me.
Tony dead.
She's trying
Nice.
to kill
I
him.
know.
She jumped down. Doc is in our cube.
Coming.
1 HP.
You want me to put a spawn at third cube?
Sarge building across top.
That's a waste of bricks.
Sarge. 3 times coming in
Got
right
Sarge.
SS on roof. So close.
They blocked my shrine.
Okay, phase. Phase and someone else go start working on middle BB prep.
now. Yeah, sounds good. I'm just trying to play up.
Ninja's here
How are we
somewhere.
on Brooks?
Oh, we doing a cut. Oh, we got a ninja on top. Just okay. Oh, I might die here.
Foss, whenever we get time, can you help me with the cut?
Yeah, I was just getting some radars. Okay.
Yeah, do that first.
Alright, I'm
whenever you
coming.
feel like we're good. Ninja's on our back.
Yeah, I'm on him.
Yeah, he's on me.
Okay.
Oh, I might die.
He's bleeding.
Oh, we gotta figure it
SS
out.
is coming from second.
I gotta heal. Oh
so
my
is
god.
Sarge.
I found their second
He
cube
shined.
spawn.
S is going
Sweet
over.
Science and Sarge.
I got their spawn at our second cube.
Alright,
but I'm low health.
going mid. You guys got it?
I'm back to my old self.
Yeah, you and Yeti should be try to prep
Yeah.
BB.
Tony, their Tony is
Hey, Aziz
prepping
on the roof. Aziz on the roof.
BB
I'm just
mid.
gonna keep going. I can't do anything about SS on roof.
Hey, I'll just try to cut it, I guess.
Sarge is down here. I pulled him.
Good pull.
Here, good pull.
Ooh,
Bomb,
that's
bomb,
mine.
bomb, won't keep, bomb, won't keep. Yeah, give it to Jubik. Alright,
How kind of them.
just feeding you perks.
Alright, Ninja's dead.
A lot of them are
kidding?
dying. There are opportunities that we can take here.
Alright, I'm gonna
FaZe,
just
can you
drop.
gas middle?
Yeah, I will. I fell down with trying to kill Ninja.
Foss, as soon as we get this cut, you can go help mid.
Okay.
Done.
Sarge is here.
I got supplies.
Nice.
Sweet Science is here.
Whoa, lag. Major lag.
Oh, their respawn fell.
Sarge is dead.
Hey, Tony's dead.
Nothing without the science.
How are you on perks?
That's good. Eliza.
First one.
Alright, I'm gonna put
You're
some
what?
grav wells and go help mid.
Here, take this bomb. I have.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good.
How many do you have?
6,500.
Ninja's here.
Just go do like bear traps or something at BB. There's something you can do with your rigs.
Oh jeez.
I'm gonna mine this little bridge they have. Alright, I'm
I
going
have
mid.
3.
Ninja on me. Ninja on me. Right behind you, Yeti.
I'm coming,
I'm
FaZe.
coming.
Okay, he
Sure.
buggered off.
We need help. Yeah. Come guys.
Coming.
There's only like 2 or 3 at BB at any given time.
Sarge and Doc are here.
Yeti, let's go.
Yeah, help me up here.
Alright. Ninja's on us.
He's low.
Nice pull.
He's one chomping. Oh, nice.
Hey, 2 dead. Doc dead.
Oh my goodness.
Take advantage.
We're gonna instant.
Oh, I got Tony and Sarge on me.
Oh,
Where'd y'all go?
well, what?
What happened?
We died.
The turret.
EU ping.
T-minus 30 seconds. We drop the block.
You guys can get back in time.
Here's that
Come on.
Yeah, definitely.
Get out of there, FaZe.
Try to distract.
Get to the bear traps. If they come back.
Try not to get grabbed here.
Get out, get out.
Make HP right there, FaZe.
Oh shit.
Don't get pulled.
Oh well.
Yeah. I'm hitting him with some little gas.
Watch out for mines.
This is a bad move on my part. Wow, I'm dead.
Are they into working? They're working.
Yeah, just go in. Oh, the turrets.
It's just no. I would have if it was on NA. It was like I was right underneath it.
I got
That's
melted.
how I was too with mine.
No, I mean I was actually under BB. It's just they have better ping. Yeti behind you.
Oh my goodness. I had 700 ping or something like that. I couldn't even turn.
Ping doesn't. What?
Somebody in my family's like watching Netflix or something.